Hey, what's up? This is Martin Waver coming back with another video. Well, I'm doing an unboxing of So Many Waves durags, part 2. This company basically restocked on some of the durags that were out of stock. In addition to, they have some new durags. So, I'm telling you, they are the best durags ever. So, with that being said, let me open up this package right here. And let's get started. Oh, this is Purple Haze. This has been out of stock for a very long time and really recently restocked. I'm not sure if they're still in stock, so I'm gonna have to check that out on their website. I'm gonna leave it in the description box below where you can get it. So let's see what else. Oh, this must be the gold. No, this is the Lemonade Kiss. Basically, it has the rainbow stitching, so it really looks cool. So I'm gonna try this on soon. Don't remember what this one is. Oh yeah, this is Gold Kiss. Gold Kiss. So, and this is Baby Blue Kiss. Oh, I remember what this one is. This is Heat. Miami Heat. This is black and this is red. So this is Carnival. This is one of the newest durags. They're sold out right now, but hopefully they'll restock. And this one too. This one is Aqua. Aloha. Something like that. I don't remember the name, but so you see, got all these here. See, I'm opening my late Christmas present. LOL, just kidding. So, can't wait to try them on. Especially this one, Carnival. It's a very interesting color. Very interesting color. So, oh, this is Miami Heat. The one I said I didn't know, wasn't sure which one I bought. Ugh. So anyway, I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to be trying on these new durags. And wish me well on my wave journey, because to tell you the truth, my waves need help. And I know durags don't give you waves, brushing does. I'm going to do a Washington style tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to do a Washington style tomorrow. So with that being said, I got to get to work. You should get to work too. Peace.